Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how Australia became a penal colony. Britain faced a significant problem with overflowing prisons and hulks, which were old ships used as jails. After the loss of the American colonies, a new destination for transporting convicts was desperately needed. The vast, largely unknown land of New South Wales was then considered a viable, distant solution for this pressing issue, offering a place for both punishment and potential future settlement. With the decision made, the monumental task of organizing the First Fleet began. Captain Arthur Phillip was appointed to command this ambitious venture, tasked with establishing the new colony. 11 ships were meticulously prepared, carrying over 1,000 people, including hundreds of convicts, marines, and vital provisions for the long journey and the initial settlement. This was an enormous logistical undertaking for the time. The journey itself was incredibly challenging, lasting over 8 months and covering more than 15,000 miles of open ocean. Imagine being aboard one of those 11 ships, with over 1,000 people, including hundreds of convicts, enduring cramped and often difficult conditions. This immense voyage tested the endurance of everyone involved, facing the unknown with limited resources and the vastness of the sea. Upon arrival, the initial landing at Botany Bay proved unsuitable, leading Governor Phillip to relocate the fleet to the more promising Sydney Cove. There, the new penal colony was formally established. The convicts, marines, and officials immediately began the arduous task of clearing land, building shelters, and establishing the foundations of what would become a new society, built from the ground up, marking the beginning of European settlement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.